I'm Todd Christensen, the Education Manager at MoneyFit by Debt Reduction Services, and I appreciate you joining me. We're going to compare two popular debt management strategies, debt consolidation and balance transfers, with the goal of helping you understand their key differences and determining which option is right for your unique financial situation. Debt consolidation involves combining multiple debts into a single payment, often with a lower interest rate. This can be done through a loan or an alternative method like our Debt Management Plan, or DMP, here at MoneyFit. A DMP involves working with a credit counselor to develop a personalized payment plan offering several benefits, including one consolidated monthly payment, reduced interest rates, waived or lower fees, and improved financial habits. Balance transfers involve moving high interest rate debt to a lower interest credit card, often with a promotional 0% APR period of 6 to 18 months. While this method can save on interest payments, there are potential downsides, such as balance transfer fees, limited time promotional rates, and the risk of accumulating more debt. To determine the best option for you, consider factors such as your credit score, the total amount of your debt, and your ability to commit to a repayment plan while avoiding any new credit card debt. Debt consolidation, especially through a DMP, can be a more comprehensive solution that addresses the root causes of debt and promotes lasting financial wellness. At MoneyFit, we're committed to helping individuals navigate the complexities of debt management and choose the best road to financial freedom. If you're ready to take the first step toward a brighter financial future, we're here to help. Visit moneyfit.org to learn more about our debt relief programs and resources. Thank you for watching, and remember, a debt-free future is more likely with the right support and commitment.